Blyth. Please respond on Westfield Road, 39541 Westfield Road. It's for a skid steer on fire. It's out in a field. Field is behind the barn. No exposures at this time. 39541 Westfield Road. It's about halfway between Curry Line and Scott Line. Attention North Huron Fire Blyth, please respond 39541 Westfield Road at the Hallahan residence. Reporting a skid steer on fire out in a field. The field is behind the barn. 39541 Westfield Road. It's about halfway between Curry Line and Scott Line. It is June 1st at 21:39.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show car 3 acknowledges the page for Blythe Station.
That's Roger. Car 3, you're acknowledging the page at 2140.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 responding.
That's Roger. Car 3 responding 2144.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding, Foxtrot +2 belted.
Roger, engine 6 responding, Foxtrot +2 belted at 2145.
Fire dispatch, call take 9.
Take 9, go ahead.
Responding. Tank 9 responding, Golf +1 belted.
That's Roger. Tank 9 responding, Golf +1 belted, 214734.
Dispatch, can you give me that 911 address again, please?
Fire unit calling dispatch, go ahead.
Dispatch, car 3, can you give me that 911 address again, please?
That's Roger, it's 39541 Westfield Road.
Confirm that. Car 3's arriving scene.
That's Roger, car 3, you're on scene at 2150.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 8 responding with 1 belted.
That's Roger, tank 8 responding with 1 belted at 2151.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 arriving scene.
That's Roger, engine 6 arriving on scene at 2151.
Fire dispatch, tank 9 arriving scene.
That's Roger, tank 9 on scene at 2151.
Engine 6, you're gonna have to park right here and then just pull hose from here.
Roger that.
Tank 9, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Tank 9, when you get on scene, just pull up by the house, then you have to turn around and back around to the back side of the barn. I don't think we're going to need your water, but just in case.
Copy that.
Dispatch, you can show car 3 in command and mobile.
Fire dispatch, you can show tank 8 arriving scene.
Roger, tank 8 on scene at 2156.
Fire dispatch, you can show agent applied.
That's Roger, agent applied 2156.
Fire dispatch. dispatch, you can show tank 8 clearing scene, returning to Blyth Station.
That's Roger, Tank 8, you're clear, returning to station 2202.
Fire dispatch, you can show fire under control.
That's Roger, you have fire under control at 2203. Fire dispatch to command.
Go ahead, dispatch for command.
Roger, I just have the ambulance on the line. Are they still required for an instant standby?
Negative, dispatch. We don't require ambulance. Thank you.
That's Roger.
Engine 6, you can shut down. Fire dispatch, you can show lost stop.
That's Roger, lost 221032.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Gulf, Captain.
Go ahead.
Yeah, can you give me a time this call came in?
Call came in at 2138.
Copy that, 2138. And can you tell me the time right now?
Time now 2213.
Copy that, thanks. Fire dispatch, tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
Tank 9 is clear of scene, heading back to Blyth Station.
That's Roger, Tank 9, you are clear, returning at 221754.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 3 fire scene.
Roger, car 3, clear scene, 2218.
Fire dispatch, you can show call being terminated, scene left with the farm owner.
That's Roger, command terminated, scene being left with the owner at 2219.